I have this logo that I would like to clean up a little bit in Inkscape. It's a little bit jagged, and I would like to clean that up and also separate the colors by layer. So let's select the object in question. I'm going to go up to my paths, and I'm going to select Trace Bitmap. And that gives me a nice black and white cutout. Now I want multicolor, so I will select the multicolor tab. Instead of brightness steps, I will switch it to colors. And I don't think I need 8 particular scans, so let's just take this down until we see a change in the preview. Okay, when I got down to 3 steps, I see the red in the olives disappears. So let's go back up one. I'm going to remove the background. The smoothing would be nice, but basically it creates a little bit of a blur that I don't want to deal with. So I will leave that unchecked. I think the other settings I will leave alone for now, and I will go ahead and I will apply this. Nothing appears to have changed, but if we grab this image, we'll see that there's another image underneath it. So this original image, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hide. And this image, we can see that there's different paths making it up. Now it's all together, but if I right click on this, I should be able to ungroup everything. And now, if I select an individual portion, I should be able to deal with things individually. Now this is looking a lot smoother already. Let's just kind of zoom in and take a look at things. Yeah, that's pretty nice and clean. Now I might make a few little changes. So for example, this has always bothered me right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select specifically the black portion. I will change to the node tool, and maybe I'll zoom in a bit more actually. And with the node tool selected, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to grab the nodes and maybe move them a little bit. And I'll grab the handles and move them as well, kind of changing the rotation. And if we zoom back out, it looks a lot nicer. So at this point, I'll just kind of go through this and take a look and see if there's other little inconsistencies like that that I don't like, and then save this. Now here's an example. These are a little sharp and straight for my taste. So what I might do is select the yellow, and with the node tool in place, make a few small adjustments. And maybe, for example, I might grab this node and just move it up a little bit. Maybe I will make it a symmetric node and just adjust the handles a bit. Maybe down here I will grab this node and I will change it into a smooth node and bring it in just a bit. Maybe I'll do that for each of these 3 actually. There. And now we get something that's just got a little bit more of a curvature to it and looks just a little more organic and natural. That's basically the gist of it. I'll look for a few little things like that, and when that's said and done, I will go ahead and export this in the format that I would like.